Auntie Tonto, bia neighbor, bia were, come and take your food. Ekwensu onye zuzu akirikpazu, ogenegita, anofia, hewu, akuna, auntie akuna. Please help me interpret to her. You should not understand what I'm saying. All my Igbo fans, listen to me. I'm the worst person you can ever have issues with on this Instagram. I might be very calm, but if I come for you, if my thing enter my brain, if one of my brain, if the thing lose, if the nuts lose, you don't finish with that. Where is your foundation? Also a foundation to help people. It's a lie. When your gullible fans will send money to you to help people, I want to go use that money, buy a packet of weeds. She will smoke weed from morning to night. Morning, afternoon, nights. That's her breakfast, lunch, dinner. And no fear.
Hey, my country people, what heard they finish for this our country, oh, eh? Bobrisky don't buy the market. In fact, Bobrisky don't hijack the market from Dr. Kemi and Toto DK. So Toto DK and Dr. Kemi was having their mass boost. Now so Bobrisky carry 2 legs go enter DM of Dr. Kemi. Go to tell her say Toto DK no be anything. Say Toto DK no fit do anything. Say make she no fear. Say Toto DK no be anything. See Dr. Kemi too. Because say she don't chop enough mass boost from Toto DK, she posted the screenshot of Bobrisky coming into her DM. So she succeeded in diverting the attention from herself to now Bobrisky. So you guys, this fight is now between Bobrisky and Toto DK. So Bobrisky now, after he said that, Toto DK said, "You are not the target. Fall back. Say you dey smell, kiddo. This is my last message to you. I don't give a flipping care about your existence."
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, for my correct people, this video today now about Bobrisky. Bobrisky, now what for you? This your matter don't pass Joromi for social media now. This your matter, it don't pass Joromi for social media. Bobrisky let Tonto DK drink water, make it keep cup. This one a matter, people know why it don't too much, like seriously. You take am easy now. Somebody say no want you again, not by force. Eh? Tonto DK say no want your friendship again. I believe say friendship not be by force. Not be by force. If you make friend with somebody and the person not see want you again, not by force, my sister, you go let her be. You understand? The way when you come they do the thing, can't be like say friendship not by force. No, not by force. If somebody don't want you again, he don't want you again as a friend. So you must not be by force for her to come make friend with you. You understand? Not by force. Eh? So I see video where you do. You say make Tonto DK, make you not talk for audio again. Make you talk for video. You ready for him? I was like, what will be your problem? Because Tonto DK they right. You don't want to answer him again. That time when they go interview for the Freeze platform, he say he don't want to answer Bobrisky again. But Bobrisky no one let her rest. Bobrisky leave him alone. No, leave Tonto DK alone. Somebody say, I don't want my name to be mentioned. He say no want to make his name. Make Bobrisky even they mention his name at all. He say no just want. He say he no just want at all. He say his name, he they irritate him. He no want just hear him. At all. Now what he talk be that one? Now the message when he send, go give Bobrisky, now be that one. So Bobrisky, I believe say friendship not by force. If you make friend with somebody, person say no want you again, you go let him be, you go leave him alone. Leave him alone. Friendship is not by force. Not by force. You understand? So that's what me I see am more. Friendship not by force. If somebody don't want you for friend again, you go let him be. Eh? You be like say the friendship they pay Bobrisky not be small. The friendship they pay Bobrisky, it they pay now because if you know they pay now, not see the reason why Bobrisky go you carry Tonto DK matter, you don't want rest. And the funny part of it be say, I tell the enter Tonto DK body, when Tonto DK go they talk to another person. Now another person network they get quarrel with. If she go just jump enter, in go your job enter. Why they call her she? Na man. In go your job enter. You go begin to insult Tonto DK. You go begin to insult Tonto DK. So the thing you call the shock let's be say, what do Bobrisky want from Tonto DK? What do you want? What do you want make she do for you? Now that part me I don't understand. Leave Tonto DK alone. Somebody don't want your friendship. I believe say friendship is not by force. It's not by force, my people. So I wanna reason the matter. So when I say let me share the video, let the video go viral. Bye. I'll put the video where Bobrisky talk. Now I'm gonna hear the yama things where they come out for a month. Bye everybody.
Where is your foundation? Also, foundation to help people is a lie. When your gullible fans will send money to you to help people, I want to go use that money buy a packet of weeds. She will smoke weed from morning to night, morning, afternoon, nights. That's her breakfast, lunch, dinner, and no fears. More Bobrisky. I will use voice note to say my mind today. Tonto, why you so? Yes, I know that you and Kemi Odunloyo's issue is none of my business. But it got to my business. Auntie Tonto, bia neighbor, bia were, come and take your food. Ekwen sonye zuzu akripazu, ogenegita, anwofia. Hey woo, akuna, auntie akuna. Please help me interpret to her if she don't understand what I'm saying. All my Igbo fans, listen to me. I'm the worst person you can ever have issues with on this Instagram. Auntie Tonto, bia neighbor, bia were, come and take your food. Ekwen sonye zuzu akripazu, ogenegita, anwofia. Hey woo, akuna, auntie akuna. Please help me interpret to her if she don't understand what I'm saying. All my Igbo fans, listen to me. I'm the worst person you can ever have issues with on this Instagram. I might be very calm, but if I come for you, if my thing enter my brain, if one of my brain, if the thing lose, if the nuts lose, you don't finish with that. Where is your foundation? Also, foundation to help people is a lie. When your gullible fans will send money to you to help people, I want to go use that money buy a packet of weeds. She will smoke weed from morning to night, morning, afternoon, nights. That's her breakfast, lunch, dinner, and no fear.
Hey, my country people, what heard they finish for this our country? Bobrisky don't buy the market. In fact, Bobrisky don't hijack the market from Dr. Kemi and Tonto DK. So Tonto DK and Dr. Kemi was having their buzz boost. Now so Bobrisky carry 2 legs go enter DM of Dr. Kemi. Go to tell her say Tonto DK no be anything. Say Tonto DK no fit do anything. Say make she no fear. Say Tonto DK no be anything. See Dr. Kemi too. Because say she don't chop enough buzz boost from Tonto DK, she posted the screenshot of Bobrisky coming into her DM. So she succeeded in diverting the attention from herself to now Bobrisky. So you guys, this fight is now between Bobrisky and Tonto DK. So Bobrisky now, after he said that, Tonto DK said, "You are not the target. Fall back. Say you dey smell, kiddo. This is my last message to you. I don't give a flipping care about your existence. I only remember you when anytime you try to get my attention. You can only come when I send for you. So go back and waste your tongue." A round of applause for brother Bob. Actually, told Bobrisky, I beg. I don't know if you just laugh. Okay, so Bobrisky said, "If you want me to stop about you, pay your debts or your fans should contribute and pay me. I promise you I will stop. If not, I won't. What happened to your foundation you are using to scam your people? Nobody donated any cash to you again, because you will use that money to smoke weed." These 2 people, honestly. Guys, I'm going to play you guys a video. And I know say Bobrisky don't bring out himself to our side again. So people that is actually owing had to storm his house and started calling him on the phone. Guys, you're gonna watch that video. Bobrisky claiming that he's not at home. Why he's at home? Now wow. After that video, I'm gonna tell you what Tonto DK said, guys.
I put some phone number then.
Oh, hello?
Hello, Bob.
Hello?
I'm outside your house.
I'm not home.
You are home, Bob. Why are you lying?
What do you mean I'm lying? I said I'm not at home. You say I'm lying.
Okay, no problem.
What do you mean I'm lying?
No problem. You said they've given you your letter, so please do the needful. Thank you.
I don't understand this girl. Since I'm lying. I said I'm not home. Your
girl said you are at home. Your girl said you are home.
Maybe it's not that way.
My guest said that I'm at home. Which of the guests? What's her name? Which of the guests said that I'm at home? I've gone out very early this morning, so I'm at home.
And there's no problem. There's no problem. They've given them. So who were they reverting to? They've given them a letter. You have to report to the station by Tuesday. That's just it.
Okay, so after that, Tozodike said, someone tell the busted boss man that it is not his time. He can't use me for clout, not again. I made you who you are today, Idris. You owe me. He needs hard jobs now, so please guys, don't patronize. Now woman, fight be this. No matter how you try, you still a bro. It would be easy to ignore you, but where is the fun in that? Your name is not Kemi, so get the F out. Busybody. I must talk on top Tonto matter because I dump your envious, jealous rottenness. Come on, don't be salty. Now wow, who will settle this their matter? Guys, it's still coming. Check out for the